Today we are going to be going briefly over our Introduction to Variables homework assignment. So this is our Introduction to Variables homework assignment, and we have our box which tells us the difference in definitions of our independent variable and our dependent variable. So just a reminder, the independent variable is what the scientist decides to change, what they're manipulating. And the dependent variable is what the scientist is measuring. It's the result. It's the outcome. So we are going to read, or right now we're going to listen to each sentence. Underlined are the variables. You decide which is the independent variable and which is the dependent variable. After you figure that out, you are going to type or copy and paste what you think the independent variable is. Put that next to where it says independent variable. It's our first bullet for each of our questions. We're going to do the same with the dependent variable, and the dependent variable is always going to be our second bullet point for these questions. So our first question is, Bobby wondered if the minutes he chose to keep the chicken in the oven affects how juicy the chicken was when he ate it. So pause, replay, and figure out which one is the dependent, what one is the independent. Number 2, Ariel was curious if the amount of sunlight a plant receives affects how many inches the plant will grow. Pause, replay, and write down your answers. Number 3, if I add a special fertilizer to my soil, will more potatoes be produced? Number 4, will giving students a special energy drink affect how well they score on a math test? Ms. Kane wondered if the amount of candy bars she was eating before bed affected how many hours she slept. So once you've paused, you've gone back, and you've written down your independent and dependent variables, then you can submit the assignment. This is activity 4. This is found in the science class pages titled What Even is Science? In Independent Learning Activities. So this is homework for tonight, 9/28, and therefore it will be due by next Monday, 10/5. Remember, next Monday we have a test, Monday or Tuesday, depending which class you are in. So make sure that you complete all of your practice independent activities so you are better prepared for the test.